Hello everyone, welcome to Eynas TV. Again, this is Eyna. For today's video, I'd like to show you how to make Kani salad spring rolls. These are the ingredients. Imitation crab sticks. Later on, we're going to soak this in warm water. And then lettuce. We can use any type or any kind of lettuce. This one is what we call romaine lettuce. We also need carrots. I'll be using 2. We have ripe mangoes, 2 pieces. 2 pieces cucumbers, medium sized. And also for the sauce, we need peanut butter. And of course, finally the wrapper. We have this rice paper wrapper that we can buy in different supermarkets or groceries. Okay, let's prepare these ingredients so that we can proceed to wrapping this. Okay, let's get it started. So ayan, ready na. Nahiwa na ang ating mangoes. Ayan, isa lang muna hiniwa ko. Crab sticks. Ito na yung romaine lettuce natin. Nahugasan na. Tinanggalan ko na rin yung dulo nito. Yan, para hindi siya mahirap i-wrap. And then, ito na yung ating cucumbers and yung ating carrots. So, ayan. Babalutin na po natin ng ating Kani salad spring rolls. For the sauce, we have garlic, 1 clove garlic, minced, and then 1 teaspoon sugar, pwedeng white, pwedeng brown, and then we'll put 3 tablespoons of water, 1, 2, 3, ayan, mix, and then soy sauce, 1, Alright, sorry. Mixed. Then we'll put here peanut butter, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1, 2. Okay, and then let us mix this one.